Hello everyone and welcome back to Neil Explains. We are coming with this math question which is actually financial math which helps seniors to improve their calculations and do their math on money math. Okay, so here our question is an item costs $500. It's marked 20% off, that is 20% off, and then another 10% off of the sale price. Okay, what is the final price? I mean, they are asking what amount you will pay for your item. Okay, so here we can see that is $500. This is selling price, or you can say mark price. Okay, but as they mark 20% off. Okay, so when we consider 20% off here, then you will get whatever discount is there, and then another, because there is a sale, so they consider 10% off again. So this question is asking how much the actual amount, or you can say final amount is. Okay, so how much final amount is there you need to pay for it. So many things like that is 20% first discount and then 10% on second discount, and they simply calculate it as 30% of the discount. This is actually we are generally doing in simple inflation. So we will simply calculate 30% of discount, which is nothing but $500 times 30 divided by 100, 100, 100, that is 0, and $150 discount. So final amount is nothing but what? 500 minus 150, or $350. But actually this is wrong. This is not the right way to solve. So what is the actual way? I will show you. So here cost is equal to what? That is 500. Now first discount. First discount, which equals to 20% off. Okay, so first we will try to get the amount on first discount. So we will simply 20% of that 500. So 500 times 20 by 100, 25, or we can say $100 as first discount. This is first discount. Okay, now for second discount, what percentage here? That is 10% off. So this is discount on sale, that's not marked. So whatever your final amount after, like before sale, on that amount, that 10% is off. So here as we see, $10 is actually $100 is discounted on 500. So after first discount, the amount is, that is 500 minus this discount 100, and which equals to $400. Now that is 400, 10% discount, so we will found this discount here. 400, that is 10 by 100. 100 times 4, which equals to $40. So second discount is what? And that is $40. So we will simply now the final price. How we get this final price? We have to subtract this from this. So final price is $400 minus $40, or we can say $360. This is the final amount. In earlier solution we get $350, that was wrong, and here $360 will be the right answer. You can see there is difference of $10. Okay, this is the way you can solve and don't get trapped on like supermarket discounts. And if you are seniors, then must check out this product link in the description. And if my math helps you to solve and improve your financial math, then subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.